Now, our learning goal here is in the create. What are some of the commands in the create? We'll turn that origin off. Create, so we have revolve, which we want to do for our battle axe. And this is the area that we want to do for our revolve. And we'll just pan that over a bit. Now we'll go escape. Now we'll press select for our axis. Axis is there. Just put that on orbit. Now as you see, we've got some sort of flying saucer thing there. We don't really want that. So we'll go escape from our orbit and we'll go symmetric is what we want. We'll grab this handle and we'll take it back to about 65, 70. Okay. And there's our revolve. But now we'll just go back to sketch for a minute. And we'll just sketch on this surface a rectangle, picking up those points. And about there, that looks so nice. Yes, stop sketch. And the other type of create that we want to look at is extrude. Adds the depth of a closed sketch profile. And we want to move this down to the base face. So we don't need to put a dimension, we can just touch the face. There we go, join. And that's creating our main block for our battle axe. While we're here, we'll put some dimension. Actually, we'll keep going. We'll do our handle. In this case, we want to construct an offset plane for our top face by 6 millimeters. Okay, and now we're going to go back into our sketch, which we talked about before, and we can do our circle, which goes about there, maybe 6.8. You can dimension it and change the dimension, of course, maybe 6. Stop sketch. And then we can go to our create. We want to extrude. And we want to take that right down there to about 70. So we can take 70. Of course, it's minus 70 because we're going in the minus direction. We don't want to cut it. We want to join it. Okay. There's our basic shape for our battle axe. I think we could have our handle a lot longer. So we might increase that. So we can just go straight into create, extrude, we just touch the end and we can pull that down a bit further. Maybe another 25. That looks good. Escape from our orbit and okay. Thank you.